Hi, welcome back to Smith Mountain Lake. Today we're going to be touring a beautiful home here in Park Place, one of the favorite neighborhoods here on the lake. So if you've been wondering what a $2+ million house looks like on Smith Mountain Lake, well, this is it. Come with me to tour. We are on Parkway Avenue. This home is listed by my friend Deb Beran, and it is available. It was built in 2022, so it is fairly new and beautiful. So we're going to take a quick walkthrough tour. Okay, well, entering in, you're going to see this beautiful foyer. Really nice light fixtures, the stairway right to your left. And you'll see that it's bright and airy. So we'll continue walking. This home built in 2022 and nicely appointed with gas fireplaces, views of Smith Mountain Lake, and the kitchen is right over here to the left. Like the cabinetry and the mix of colors, granite countertops, nice open with a sitting area to the left and a breakfast nook. Beautiful light hardwood flooring. And views of Smith Mountain. Kind of a butler's pantry here. And off this way, you're going to see some more areas. Large pantry. A laundry area. This goes out to a garage. So you have a powder room here, and off to this side we have a primary bedroom. Beautiful walk-in bath. Nice and spacious and bright. Big shower and a separate tub. Closed-in water closet and a double walk-in, very spacious walk-in closet. Back out to the main living area. We're going to go through the great room and into the dining area. Separate dining room. Then down this hall, we've got extra bedrooms, all in cool lake colors. And we have a nice bath here adjoining. Which goes back out to the hall. Then we'll go downstairs. Very nice 10-foot ceilings on the lower level, so feels like a full, nice lower level, not like a basement. Another gas fireplace here. And oh, the views. This is prime location here next to the Franklin County Park and the S-curves where you see boats going by. Gorgeous views of Smith Mountain and a large boat dock. We'll try to go out there. And here you have a lower level kitchen. Very nice, nice and bright. And an eating area. Have a couple of neighboring homes there. And you've got the walkout patio. Covered ceiling overhead, so you'll stay nice and dry in the lower patio. Nicely manicured lawn. Let's explore the rest of this lower level. Got lots of closets and storage. Could be 3 potential bedrooms on this lower level. One is decorated as an office, as you can see here. Another bedroom here. Full bathroom. Another bright and airy bedroom here on the back side of the lower level with a beautiful view out to the lake and the dock. Nice level flat yard, which is what everyone would love to have, to go out to the water for your enjoyment. All right, let's try to go out the back patio and we'll just take a look at the dock, the yard. So solid brick here on the lower level. Can't beat the views here. Hardy siding above and brick on the lower level. And this is all like brand new, of course. Now I'm told at the dock that it is about 8-foot water depth below the boat on average. Nice gentle walk to your boat dock. It's a very large dock set up as one pontoon boat with jet ski ports to the side and lots of sitting areas, so plenty of room for your enjoyment here at the lake. It's a nice, shallow, beachy type water access that you could just gently walk right in. And there you have it. We are in Park Place. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.